Hey, Usmania. Hey, Haryanto colleagues mania. Wherever you are, hopefully healthy always. Tonight, we are in the Holy Teak Terminal. Okay, good luck watching for the latest video. This time, from us. Prime Water. Well, this guy's this afternoon. The IPL want the first line. Well, this is yesterday that just released from Mountain Mas, Carossery Mountain Mas. Ya new body. Well, this preparation is it this afternoon. Another Mas, this pudding. Word. Night Force in Alter Purianto in Holy Teak Terminal. This is there are 3 in fleet units. HR 139 Miracle, then 150 Type Series, then MT66. 4 HR 139 mengisi lain Poris. Then the 150 mengisi lain Parung. Then the MT66 filling. Yeah, like this night. Atmosphere today. So, for pre-order Night Force, Haryanto now there in the Holy Teak Terminal. Especially in this Muria land. Yep, here is a miracle. Armada berbodi front A7, the Mercedes-Benz chassis. Oh, A 16-month 6, then the 150 also. One of the awaiting fleets. Ribbon, yeah guys. Nah, so this 150 is waiting also for ribbon, or in the list of ribbon and waiting for the side. Sasisnya come yet because of the information. Mr. already ordered the chassis LATE, ST, and Mercedes-Benz stuff. Stuff is ready. 16 to 6. Well, this is for also the same 6 in the chassis. Mercedes-Benz OA 16 to 6. Well, there is Mas Suziano, Jenny series from 150, yang known as PJR Muria Raya. Yeah, this fleet is also waiting for ribbon. There are agents and also Mas Foreman here. Yes, there is. Then Mas Nova agent of Dimar. Yeah, agent from Dimar. Not bad friends for the passengers tonight, even this week's night. Well, this is after getting instruction from Mas Foreman Noor. Yes, the fleet is departing one by takeoff from Holy Teak Terminal. Well, this is it. Yeah. Narcoles or Colmas, Pandor, Baby boy, take off from Holy Tick Terminal. "150 kinds, series takeoff from internal Holy Tick." "103 takeoff from Holy Tick Terminal by filling Oreo." So, for this video, from our more or less, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys in the next video. Haryanto, Mania.